Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the new chapter, that is module number 2, object-oriented modeling and design. Now, in depth of this particular object-oriented design or models that we will be going to study in the this semester only. Okay, but here a part of that we will be going to get covered in this. First of all, we must understand that what is an object-oriented concept and how the development is going to be done in this, and some of the themes are going to be present. Then evidences are going to be the useful development models, that is object-oriented models that you can able to do it. Then about the history of the modeling. So these things that we are going to study in this object-oriented modeling and design. So let us see what is this. First of all, see what are the objects, then design and all these things. Now you see that here object-oriented modeling and design deals with the objects, real-time objects, real-time concepts. We can say when we say that object-oriented modeling is there, the objects are the fundamental constructs in this, and the data and their behaviors are going to be considered. What is object? Object has two states. It has a state and the behavior, you can say. So what is state? It is a descriptive characteristic, means you can specify that exactly what it is. Okay. Then behavior of that. So what that particular object can do. Okay. So here we can say that some examples, if you are going to take, some account is there, and the state is going to be the account, bank account, and the behavior of that is balance and withdrawals and all these things are the deposit, are the behaviors of that particular account. So we associate with the bank account includes the ability to make the deposits and withdrawals. Okay. State is only the bank account. It is going to have its account number. Behavior of that is what we can do with the bank account number. Then you can able to do deposits as well as withdrawals. So behavior of an object is always it is going to change. Okay, you can withdraw the money, you can deposit the money, and you can check the balance and all these things. So these things that you can able to do with the objects. Objects has three responsibilities. One is attributes and the operations and relationships. So it is nothing but what they are. They know about themselves. Means bank account. Your account open. So what do you mean by bank account? It is the attribute is there for that. Means for that, account number is an attribute, name is an attribute, there is an account holder name is going to be an attributes and all this. Then what are the operations that they can do to do it? The withdrawal and deposit. Okay. These things they can able to do that. Even they can able to check the balance also. Okay. Then about the objects, how that is they are going to get related. Okay. So the loan section will be there in that. Okay. How this bank account means your account is related to the loan section. So there also you can have the name, account number, and the status of your account is going to be available in the loan section also. So they can able to transfer the money from their account to here. That is in your account that they can able to transfer. So that is a relationship that you are going to have it. Here it is saying that the object is going to have the state, behavior, and identity of the thing. Okay. Then when we say about the objects, software objects, these are the real world objects it is going to be, or you can say the abstract concepts. Example for that is dog, bicycle, bank account. You can say anything that real world objects has the state and behaviors. So for example, bicycle, okay, or dog state. So it has its own name, color, breed, and hungry. These are the states. Then behavior is barking is the behavior of the dog. Similarly, bicycle state it's going to be used for the different colors will be there, name of the bicycles are there, company name is going to be there. Okay. So vehicle, and then behavior is pedaling is the main concept, and you can able to work with that. Then other examples, if you are going to consider the object, is myself. There is an instructor object. Instructor is an object. Student is an object. Okay. Room is an object. So you can have that state as well as the behavior of the object. That if you are going to know about this, then there is more than enough to understand what is an object. Okay. Now I think you understood that what is an object and what is the behavior of the object. What is object orientation? There are two things are there in this. First of all, the complexity is there in this object oriented concept is going to have some complexities. Main concepts of object oriented is modularity and abstraction. Modularity and abstraction. Modularity means breaking the large problems into smaller pieces. Second thing, abstraction, it focuses on essential concepts of the application. So here, one example if you want to consider, for the object-oriented concept, the computer scientists have developed a number of approaches for the modularity and abstraction. There is object orientation, and they will going to call it as a O model. Okay. And the course of the object it is going to be. Object oriented is nothing but it has its own characteristics, that is identify, classification, polymorphism and inheritance. If these things are going to be there, then you can call it as a object oriented concept. Okay. Identity, classification, polymorphism, then inheritance. These four must be there for the object oriented approach. What is an identity? Example for the identity is that personal computer, PCs, your laptops, bicycle, any examples that you can able to give it. So it is nothing but data is organized into a discrete, distinguishable entities. They are called as objects. Anything that you will going to be described, okay, distinguishable entities are going to be there, then it is called as an object. They concentrate on the, for example, if you take a file system is there, that, okay, scheduling of the files, okay, multiprocessing of the operating systems. Whenever that operating system is going to be there, the scheduling is going to be the one of the concept for the file. So file is going to be fetched, one file is going to be fetched, and it is getting executed in the system. So operating system is going to make these things. So some of the cases will be going to have inherited identities. Okay, so the file system is one, and file is from that a file is been inherited to another entity. So we can say that this is one of the identification of the object. Here is example. Some examples are there with the classification of polygon classes. You have bicycle class, we will be going to have here. These are some examples. It is. So polygon classes are any things that you want to draw. Filled triangle is there, rhombus is there, square is there. So these are the abstract things it is going to be. Okay. So here the operations and the attributes of those things. Okay. Here it is being specified as the barcode border class and fill colors and vertices. It is being given. Okay. What are the operations? Draw, erase and move. So anywhere that it is possible to move, and you can draw the figures because vertices is being given. So how many vertices it is being given, based on that we can able to draw the picture. And border colors are you can fill the colors also. Okay, so anything that it is possible that you can able to do it in this. And one more thing is that in the bicycle class we have the attributes frame size, wheel size, number of